Hello everyone. And what is Salesforce? When we compare it to the Salesforce, it is introduction to Salesforce. First of all, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a customer success platform. It doesn't help to use service market analyzing connect with your customers. And Salesforce has everything you need to run your business. And whenever using the standard product features, you can manage the relationship with responsible and customers and collaborate with each other. And how to create the account with developer account. First of all, we are creating develop we are a developer and we're creating a developer account. First you sign up with the link and sign up from the enter the following details. And already seen that full name and last name and email address, role, company already shown in figure. First name, email, enter your email address, role, company, country, and what is your pin code. The username should be combination with your name, company. The username must be related to your name, etc. And click on sign up. When you sign up your account, go to the inbox of your mail. You need the sign up. Will click on verify account, and after 5 to 10 minutes we got the mail with Salesforce account, and we can verify account, give you a password security, and question the click change password, and we can click indirect to Salesforce setup, and we can change the new password at least 8 characters, and create your password, and we will shown with us setup home object manager. This is the Salesforce platform. Now when are we going to object? Now we going to object. The Salesforce objects are database tables and primitives. You can store data in specific to organization. The Salesforce objects are two types: the standard objects and customer objects. The standard objects are the kind of objects are provided by the salesforce.com. When compared to custom objects, the custom objects are those objects are created by users. They supply information that is unique and essential to organization. So we can click on the gear icon, click setup, and we can click on setup page. We can click on object manager and click on create, click on custom button, click on custom object. When on custom object, they defining the page, enter the label name, and as is shown the as is shown there. And when compare it to the objects and click on save. When compared to create a supplier object means create a object from the setup page, click on object manager, click on create, and click on custom object, and we can show the enter the label name, pure label name, enter record. Already shown that the given the names as suppliers, and the record name is suppliers name, and data type is name. Already they given. The click on allow reports and the field history, and allow search and save. Now I can go to next module, create gas station object. We can create a object from the setup page. Click on object manager, click on create, and click on object custom object. Enter the label name as gas station, and the label name as gas stations. Here two names are similarly each other. Enter record name as gas station, auto number auto number, and some numerical values, and starting number is I or 1, and click allow the reports and track field history. Allow search and save. Now when compared to go to the another module, create buyer and fuel details objects. Now we can note down the applications. Follow the same steps are mentioned the activity 2. We can move there. We can go object manager, go to object manager, and search their object values and give the names. They similarly with each other. Now use the display format as buyer, label name as buyer, and label name as buyers. Display format is the same that in previous the gas stations where they are buyers, and they use display format as a fuel detail, same as fuel details, and fuel equation, some etc. When compared to tabs, create a custom tab. Go to setup page and type tab, quick find bar, click on tabs, new, under the following steps. Then you can do under the following steps as new, save, and users, etc. Now select the suppliers, select the tab style, and next do process as profiles and keep it as default, and click on OK and save. When go to this already create your own style, we can choose the different models or different styles own. We can choose their own, and we can select their tick button and then save next. When compare it, when going to next model, creating remaining tabs. Now create the tabs from remaining objects. They have gas station already. We know that gas station, buyer, fuel details, we know that we can do in activity 1. And when compared to go with the lightning gap, what is lightning gap? And lightning gap is a collection of items work together each other to solve particular functions in lightning experience. And lightning apps give you users access to set of objects, tables, and etc. And we can add them. We can your brand your apps, and we can custom color and logo. The lightning gas is useful to our background information, and we can choose the different styles and different fonts, etc. Now how to create a lightning app? How to create a lightning in salesforce? Now create a lightning app, go to setup page and search the app manager. I already shown the setup page and app manager, and quick find the select a app manager, click a new lightning app, click new lighting app, and this UI as the same follows, and fill the app name as gas station, and keep it as default as already shown the way. Only we can do in gas station, making as same as previous. Add navigation items, and choose the navigation items as we can select the any items. We can move the arrow mark. We can select the automatic with each other as shown in figure. And we can add the use profiles, and we can here we can how to, what we have add the suppliers, gas stations, buyer, receipts. The four things are allow to and accept to each other, and automatically we can save and run, or save and next, etc. And fields, when going to fields, they have a lot of modules. Create fields are how to create a junction object and master details, and creating a number of fuel IDs, and creating a roll up summary. Now we going to roll up summary. The three models are similar to each other. We go to setup, click on object manager. The type object name is supplier. Give the name, title name is suppliers. In each bar, click on object, and now click fields, field and relationship, and click on save, and select the data as roll up summary, and click on save and next. When we go to another. When we going to next platform, we can give the fields and sum of fuel suppliers, and field names, and auto generated, and click on next, and select the summer objects as give as fuel details, and select the roll up type as sum, and click on save, and fuel supplied, and click on save and next, and save automatically. From the eighth step, we can follow the same step from the gas station from the following 1 and 2. So we can create the object manager, we can create the suppliers, and the same gas station also we can create the 1 2 3 steps and same as it is each other. When compared to 9 step, the give the table as a fuel supply to bunk. To fill the name auto generated, will click select the summarize objects as fuel details, select the roll up type as sum, and select the field to access the fuel supplies, and click on next and save. Automatically we can move the next step. We can go to save or next easily. Now note down the same. We can create the gas station, and gas station fuel roll up summary. We can move their fuel filled vehicles. The same steps we can do follows and each steps. When going to creating formula field in gas station, when going to what is a fuel formula, it is a custom field that we can use to calculate our display data on your salesforce record. The formula fields can be used to perform a variety of tasks, such as calculating the total averages, or creating a custom field the display from data on own other. The validity data entry automatic process. Go to setup, click on object manager, the object type name as gas station. Now automatically we do gas station, gas up. So our project is our gas station. So each and every model is compared to the gas station. Commonly click on fields and relationship, and click on new. Select the data type as formula, and click on next, and give the field label and the field the name and the available bunk, and select the formula return number. Select the formula is number, and click on save and next. We can do formulas with each other in show in display. Under the advantages of formula written down there, we can use the formula as check the syntax. We can use the formula as fuel supply to bunk, C fuel, etc. Creating a formula field on buyer object. Note down the note down the values, and go to each step. Click on object manager, type object is name as buyer and search bar, and click the object, and click we can color the objects in object manager what we want. Now going to 10th step, select data type as formula and click next. We can field automatically, we can see the formula and the fields applied to bunker. This is same also, we can 0 plus and hashtag some last name, give you what you want. Click the save, check syntax and save. When going to compare and creating the cross object formula in field in buyer, same as also follows. How to create a buyer, go to set up the object, same what you want we can save in object manager. Click on fields and relationship, click on new and select data formula and click on next. Give the field name as amount paid and select the return type as number. Previous also we can save as number and click on save. When we move to next step, the insert fields formula should be field as vehicles as gas station. This is the formula. We can enter the formula and we move to another step. The last step is under advantage formula, write down the formula and click check syntax. We can check the syntax without any error. We can move another steps. With error we can recorrect the errors. And going to page layout, the page layout salesforce should be customized design, and creating the page modules. Creating the page module, go to setup, click on object manager and search the objects buyers, and from the drop down the same as previous page, and select the objects and same pattern. And if you want any object manager, we can search the app manager and color the data from the app manager and setup or home. When going to profiles, the profiles are classified into 6 types: content manager, read only, marketing user, solution manager, standard user, system administrator. When custom profiles are defined as they can be deleted into no users assigned from the particular one. Going to the next step, when Salesforce executive well Salesforce profiles and go to setup, and they insert the page numbers, and we can color the data and click on save. The salesperson profiles are go to setup and trying to what you want on and consider design the place while still on the place profiles and the fuel details and role history. What is role and history are classified into two modules: the creating manager role and creating another roles. Creating the manager roles are go to click find button and search roles what you want, and search roles are roles and search the data, and from the roles understanding click on the expand all the click and add role under the whom is roles workers. And what you want is expand all. We can move on plus button or minus button. We can move the button as add role. We can add the data from the manager. We can roll the another role same as we can click on roles and add plus button or minus button. We can do what you want manager and add role, or where we want we can add the role and data. When going to users, classified into two modules. The create user, how to create user means the user what you want user, they have last name, first name, email address, id, proof, nickname, role, and etc. We can see that the information as shown in figure, and click on automatically. We can click on save and create the another user means what you want. Click on another user, same also role, users, profiles, etc. We can click on to another roles and go to permission search. If we create the role, we can ask the permissions from another persons or another one. Or how to create a permission search, we can go to setup a permission search and quick add search and enter the P1 as API will be auto uploaded. We can no need to write description also. We can under the select objects like this, and give the fuel objects and click on edit, and under the object click on read and as P1, and click on save. And after saving the permission, click the management assessment, click on add assessments, and click on there what you give the name as. I can give the John. In my project I can give this, so I can select the John. We can move and select the data and save and agree. We go to setup down, and organizations are wide from setup down. How to create an own settings, call settings. Go to setup and sharing settings. We can see and scroll down the change the default initial to public read only. The name as a public read only for gas stations and suppliers object. These are shown in figure and save. And external information we can add the additional information. We can add the additional settings as your wish. Use adoption. Create a record. Create a record. How to create a record? Click on the app launcher. Look at the side of the screen and research the screen and gas station. Click on fuel details, etc. View record. View record those steps are following the app launcher and gas stations, and click on the fuels and fuel details. Click on the records as already as created. How to delete a record? If you want to unknown record, how to delete a record means click on the app launcher, look at the left side of the screen as shown in figure, search the gas station and click on fuel. What you give the name as fuel details tab, and we can go the arrow and click the delete and delete again as shown in figure. The reports. We can give the reports as types of reports in Salesforce: tabular, summary, matrix, join reports, etc. The create reports folders are shown in figure. And the create report. How to create report? Go to the app and click the report table and click new report and select the report type search and gas station with buyers. Click on it and add the click on it start same as well same steps. How to remove the unnecessary fields? Select the fields that you group the fuel available in bunk, customer name, etc. and click on the conditionals as shown in figure and click apply. Click apply. As shown in the figure, we can see the so many modules. Which module we can give the name as fuel station. The go to fuel station and the select the folder. We can create a group report. Dashboards. We know already common that how to create dashboards and how to create the folders. They both are similar to each other. The how to create a dashboard folder. Create a app and app launcher, select the dashboard tab and click the folder, give the folder name as annotation, give the save and follow the steps by the similar milestone 1 and activity 2. I mean with previous activity I'm providing saving the settings and folders. And go to app, click on the dashboard steps and give a name and select the folders to create a click on create. When compared to flows, create a flow. The go to setup and folds and quick to find box, click the flow and set the new as shown in figure search box and flows, and we can select the record trigger and click on create. We can create the create flow and we go to the select object as buyer, select object given name as buyer and select the regular flow when the record is created or updated. We can do actions and related to records, and we can do 6 step is change the modules from auto layer to free from. What do you want to convert to form, we can move the free from and select the resource type as text temple, and we can enter the API name is email body and etc. what you want, and customer name is as shown in figure, and amount paid, vehicle type and fuel tank. What you in fuel gas station, we can move a vehicle number, give the IDs and what do you want, change the view from rich text and the view plan to click on done and okay, and we can select the formulas and include it to so many and start up the program, and we can start the program with applications and click on save and activate, and we can repeat the same formula. Thank you for everyone giving this great opportunity.